The Lookup and Match module in the Table Tools utility allows you to transfer content from one dataset to another. The first table contains an index of a virtual data room reviewed in March. The following month, the data room was updated with additional documents. In order to update the new index with the names of the employees who reviewed documents in the earlier index, I'll create a lookup dataset of the first table. Since the names of the documents remained the same, I'll use the first column as the key column, and the second column as the column containing values I'd like to transfer. The key value pairs in the lookup dataset can be collected by pressing the button with the recycle icon. Next, I'll place my cursor in the new index. Rows without matches will indicate it's a new document that requires review. I'll select the notation from the appropriate menu. Once the workflow has completed, the new index will be populated with the reviewers from the earlier index. The documents that were added have the notation I selected, alerting employees which documents require review. Table Tools is available in the Legal Productivity Suite. Please visit our website or the Microsoft Marketplace to start using it today.